Superintendent of Police ka Iskasil District ba Vivek AM mulai thu ba kilai tali ki kali ki ba pulit ki ban kata ka Mahindra Scorpio Rongyong ka Toyota Innova Rongyong bat ka Audi A4 ka basaw hidai ki bala long try da umeban scam snaitang arpsan snem kerta basyong basa pokse na bdengini kilai tali ki kali artali ki kali kim shimla don registration number rai tangkat Scorpio kabadon yung registration number ML not san AF not lie not kandai nagliang SP laito bagini kali kedang penyang kemat kerdop jong kesekretariat harangkat kiyit yong nagliang ki pulit ke SP office kelalej ban tohkit bat kadba kedang penlong yang jing tohkit ke pulit kelalap kumba khat arngut ki breu ki bariam yong hagaba nagliang ki pulit marmar kelapa de kisot bat baki wat kini ki kali kelalap baki don santli ki suloi ergan artili ki pistol nang tala yok kurupru ki walkie talkie ki magazine voucher ki vest hakaba yakin ki breu larano sa sada police station ban penlong ya kecing tohkit.
Well, today at about 2:30 p.m. One Audi was a black Scorpio and a Toyota Innova were found parked just near Shoppers Stop, which is just opposite the secretariat, and they were found with tinted glasses. So police personnel from SP's office went to check them, and when they went to check these vehicles, not that because they were with tinted glasses, one vehicle was without any number plate, and they found a group of people, about 12 in numbers, all wearing dressed in black, and so immediately the SOT was alerted and all that, and they rushed to that spot and all that, and on searching the vehicle we found magazine pouches, about 6 magazine pouches, about 5 handheld walkie-talkie sets, then about 5 air guns and 2 air pistols, and these people were taken to Sar police station after that for conducting formalities. These items were seized and all that. So as of now, we are also conducting search and all that to ascertain if there are any more items which are incriminating in nature. We'll be taking up a case in Sadar PS for impersonating as law enforcement agency personnel and also under the Arms Act.
But something like that.
That it appears to be like that. Now, why, like I said, why would a person move around with 12 people that also who act like henchmen and with weapons inside and magazine pouches? I mean,
Specifically parked opposite Secretariat entry gate. Is there any specific reason why that location? Because he parked the vehicle there.
Yes, we need to ascertain actually why he parked out there. Whether he was really going for shopping in Shoppers Stop. I will get to know once the investigation team updates me on that regarding why they parked actually just near the secretariat.
So can anybody?
Private security. Number one is we have to ascertain whether now if you're private security, they always have the name of the security agency, and there's nothing which shows whether they are from any security agency and all that. There's nothing. The air pistols, air guns, on being asked by those men, they said that has been given by the owner only. Usually the security agency provides all that. So we need also to ascertain whether they are affiliated with any security agency or any other organization also.
This do you?
At first glance and on preliminary investigation, doesn't appear that he belongs to any band outfit or to any underground and all that. The motive is I think is different, but nonetheless we will actually we'll investigate into all matters, all quarters and all that.
How sophisticated is the weapon? Because see, looking at it, we were confused. What is it?
Exactly. For the common man, not that. Yes, anybody seeing that kind of weapon, by people dressed in black, people with magazine pouches, even for a person also who actually knows weaponry also, but seeing that those kind, because they are not conventional air guns or air pistols. If you look at the air pistol, it looks like a 9mm or it looks like a 9mm Browning. So these look very much like semi-automatic or automatic weapons and all that. Nobody will think that they are conventional weapons. By the look of it, it looks intimidating, and so that itself is indicates a wrongful motive.
To us, he was telling that he is a leader of JMC something.
GMC.
See, I'm yet to get all these facts and all that because the team is still investigating and they are still doing many other things which we need to ascertain. And whether he is affiliated with this organization or that organization, that will.
So apparently, it appears he is a wealthy man who can employ 12 men, get the air guns.
I think that speaks for itself because 3 vehicles and all that, 12 men, and I think much more assets will be there. So probably the sources of income also could be.
Is he
Sidon and all that, and all these vehicles are owned by one Leban Snaitham, 25 years. He is a resident of Boxer, and he has been taking these people moving around with siren, with tinted glass and all that. So the motive behind it will be further established after we have investigated and all that. Apparently, it appears that this person, Nebancham Snaitham, is using 12 people. If 12 people dressed in black and carrying those kind of weapons, probably with a motive to intimidate, probably with an motive to show that he is probably in a position of power, so that he could either influence, intimidate, or get his way through. So that is what preliminary findings indicate. But yet we will actually have an in-depth investigation into the matter, and then we can ascertain as to what is really the purpose of carrying 12 people, tinted glass, siren, and all that, and these are all illegal. Regarding air pistols and all that, if you use an air pistol, it's either to be kept at home and only to be used in certain places which is probably if it's a forested area and all that, but you cannot carry them publicly. The purpose of carrying and these type of guns, they are not conventional air pistols. Now we need to see the caliber of these air pistols also, for which we'll have to send to the forensic laboratory. Coupled with the outfit they are wearing and the magazine pouches and the walkie-talkies and the tinted glass, these combined in combination and all that have a different motive altogether. So which demands and compels further investigation.
The individual
Social worker, I haven't come across any social worker who dresses or who walks around with 12 men in an intimidating manner. So I totally beg to differ with you beg to differ with that kind of a stand that the person is a social worker. I mean, you don't walk around with those kind of weapons. So it demands further investigation. Right now, it's just
13 men were
12 men plus with this other accused, Mepansham Snaitham.
so total 13 men were
Yes.
Arrested.
Yes.
and
How many section? We are yet to register the case and all that. Right now, other formalities are going on. So probably intimidation, arms act, impersonation of police personnel.
Arms Act of 2016.
Yes,
And
Religious Arms Act.
yeah, and
These people, they will be questioned thoroughly. What is the motive? Why, if he is actually apprehensive of anything, what is he apprehensive of? He must be if he's apprehensive, then there must be something he's apprehensive of. If he has another motive of using them, then we will come to know in due course of time.
when are you going to produce him to the court?
At the earliest, within 24 hours only.
is it that psychologically he wants to prove that just to show that I have power?
Exactly, it's more probably we are looking at that. I mean, preliminary investigation. It appears to be that, like, he has authority, and he has, if you're using a siren, you're using tinted glasses. Only certain categories, only Z categories are Z plus that allowed to use, and certain unless you are got permission from the government, you can use tinted glass. Nobody can use tinted glass. Why? Even myself and all other officers in this office, we cannot use tinted glass. But certain categories have, because of the security threat. So if this person is using that, he is trying probably to project the world outside, then he is somebody. And if you're projecting that, that means you might be having a motive. And having 12 men around you, not only does it doesn't exude fear, and but also psychosis, but also in case you have any deal and all that, you ensure that it is enforced because of the muscle men around you.